Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, August 12, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to kickstart my day. Got a lot on my plate.
I get it. I've got a big meeting later today.
Oh, meetings. Always a blast. Hey, did you catch the news about that new trade group agreement with some countries?
Yeah, I saw something about it. A few big countries are teaming up to make trade smoother.
That's right. I think it's about lowering costs for stuff we buy and sell. Could be a win for my sales targets.
It might help with supply chains too. Less delay on getting materials, maybe?
I sure hope so. Waiting for shipments drives me nuts.
Same for my projects. We need things on time.
Exactly. Let's hope this deal makes a difference.
It's too early to tell, but it sounds promising. We'll see.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Hey, speaking of new things, did you hear about that app called TaskFlow or something?
Not yet. What's it about?
It's this new tool for managing work tasks. Everyone's talking about it at the office.
Oh, I think I read a bit about it. It helps organize tasks and track time, right?
Yep, that's the one. I might give it a try to keep my client calls in check.
That sounds handy. I'm always juggling deadlines.
Same here. Too much to keep track of. This app might just save my skin.
I'll look into it too. We need all the help we can get.
For sure. If it works, I'll buy it a coffee as thanks.
Huh, that's funny. Let me know if it's worth it.
Will do. Oh, and did you see the news about that huge movie breaking box office records?
Yes, I did. It made like 100 million in just 3 days.
That's wild, right? Even my boss is raving about it.
I'm not surprised. The trailer looked so good.
I know. I'm thinking of watching it this weekend. Need a break from all the work stress.
Me too. It might be a nice way to unwind.
Totally. Just forget about emails for 2 hours. What's the movie called again?
I think it's Star Journey or something close. I'll check the name later.
Cool, let me know. I'm terrible with remembering names.
No worries. It's nice to chat about something fun for a change.
Yeah, work can get so boring. Movies are a good escape.
They are. It's important to switch off sometimes.
For sure. Hey, how's your project coming along?
It's okay, just super busy. I've got tons of emails to reply to.
I feel you. My inbox is a total mess too.
Always the same story, right? Just gotta keep pushing.
Yep, one coffee at a time. This stuff is my lifeline.
Same here. Can't function without it.
Hey, did you try the new coffee flavor they put in the machine?
Not yet. Is it any good?
It's alright, a bit sweet for me. Give it a shot.
I will. I could use something different today.
Cool. Oh, going back to that trade group news, do you think prices will really go down?
Maybe for some products. It depends on how the deal plays out.
I hope so. Cheaper stuff means happier clients for me.
That's true. It could help a lot of businesses, big and small.
Yeah, more sales for me if it works. I'm all in for that.
Let's hope it's not just empty promises. We need real results.
Exactly. Politicians talk a lot but do little sometimes.
They do. We'll just have to wait and see.
Yup. Hey, about that app, do you think it's free to use?
I'm not sure. Some apps have a free version to start with.
I hope it's free. I don't want to shell out cash for another tool.
Same here. I'll check the website later today.
Thanks. Let me know if it's worth downloading.
Sure thing. It's good to share these little tips.
Totally. Saves us time and a bunch of headaches.
Speaking of time, I've got a report to finish up soon.
Ugh, reports. I've got 2 client calls lined up today.
Busy day for both of us. Good luck with those calls.
Thanks, you too. Hey, about that movie. Is it for kids or adults?
I think it's for everyone. Looks like a family kind of film.
Nice. Maybe I'll take my nephew along. He's crazy about movies.
That's a sweet plan. It's nice to share fun times with family.
Yeah, gotta make time for them. Work can't take over everything.
I agree. Finding balance is so important.
For sure. Hey, I'm almost done with my coffee here.
Me too. Time flies when we're chatting.
It does. These breaks are the best part of the day.
They really are. A quick chat refreshes the mind.
Yep. Oh, one more thing about that trade news I heard.
What's that? I'm all ears.
I heard it might help small companies too, not just the big players.
That's great to hear. Small businesses need that kind of support.
Totally. My friend runs a small shop, so I hope it helps him out.
I hope so too. It's nice when changes are fair for everyone.
Yeah, let's keep an eye on this. Could be a game changer.
We will. News like this can make a big impact.
For sure. Hey, about that app again, do you think it's easy to use?
I hope so. Some apps are tricky at first.
True. I'm not great with tech, so it better be simple.
Same here. I just want something that works fast.
Exactly. If it's too complicated, I'm out.
I'll let you know if I try it first. We can figure it out together.
Thanks, that'd be great. Teamwork makes it easier.
Always, 2 heads are better than 1.
You got that right. Hey, back to the movie, did you see any reviews?
Not yet. But I heard people loved the story.
Nice, that's a good sign. I trust word of mouth more than ads.
Me too. Friends' opinions matter more.
Yup. I'll ask around the office if anyone's seen it.
Good idea. Maybe we'll get some honest feedback.
Hope so. Nothing worse than wasting 2 hours on a bad film?
Huh, that's true. Time is precious.
Totally. Hey, speaking of time, I've got a deadline creeping up.
Same here. I need to get back to my desk soon.
All right, let's wrap this up. Catch you later.
See you, David. Have a good day.
You too, don't work too hard.
Huh? I'll try not to. Take care.
See ya. Let's chat again tomorrow.
For sure? Have a great rest of the day.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.